6/8, 2020, opening bell, 30 minutes, Netflix, get smashed, range, 30-minute opening bell, $10.73 range. How to spot the bottoms, but nonetheless, Netflix is telling a story about opening America and everything else because they're not going to be sitting on their couch and doing all this and that, but nonetheless, is how to spot a bottom. And then you take a look at the $400 calls in the money. So if Netflix wants to come spiraling back up, as it does put in a bottom, and you are making a market after a big drop down, it's $1.63 off of the bottom, and each 1/16th value is here. So getting bottoms and understanding the strength of the bottom. So if you have the put options of the 1420s and you do make a bottom, you can go in and you can trade the $400 calls. You can't lose any money as long as that 1420 put is in place on Netflix, which it is, and that side of the trade is working. So when you do put a bottom in and you believe that Netflix, you can buy the $400 calls, trade them off of the bottom, take $2 profit, cash it in, but still stay in the 1420 puts on Netflix. And this is just trading off of the bottom and understanding that your overnight positions that we have in our portfolio on Netflix, we had 14 and 30 puts, 440s, and we also have the 420s. And, with the economy opening up, people aren't going to be on their couch all day. It doesn't matter. What matters is you've come off of the bottom, two teenies, which is a $2 move, it's a 21 IR, and you can trade off of the bottom as a market maker and take the values here while you hold the 420 puts and your other put options. So you can trade off of this bottom live right now and take the value by buying the $400 calls off of the bottom. And when you do get your bounce, you are in the bottom on the $400 calls now. And you still have the top end of your 420 put options that went way up in value as that went straight down. Now, by understanding the bottom in Netflix, you will know what to do with the calls and to sell out, take a profit as you remain in your 420 put options. But this is how you trade the bounce as a market maker, and you come out of the calls as they go up, and you ring the cash register, and you let the 420 puts stay in play. That's how you make a market. Netflix opening bell, 6/8/2020, 420 puts, $400 calls off at the bottom. How to trade the other side as a market maker while holding overnight positions in the short portfolio on the Netflix. With America going back to work, they're not sitting on the couch.